Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on that device. So first we should open the Play Store application. And then here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while our application installing. Then click to OK to open, click OK, yes I agree, close, once again OK, and now we can see here information about temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 32 and 2 degrees. Also we can find here more info like the battery health, capacity, model of our device, Android version, just the temperature, technology, health, so a lot of different kind of information. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.